Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Audi remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to remove the emergency key fob blade out of the bottom of the housing so we can gain access to the battery. We do that by pressing this button here and again this button here at the same time, which releases the catches so we can slide out the blade from the bottom of the fob. The battery is situated in a housing just here on the fob. So again, we press this button here and this button here so we can slide out the housing. Sometimes, if the housing hasn't come out before, it can be a little bit stiff, so just bear with it. So we press the buttons and we slide out the housing like so. And there is your key fob battery. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We simply get our new key fob battery and we just pop it back into the housing like so, making sure that the writing is facing downwards so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time just to pop it back together. So we turn it over to make sure it's in its correct position and we just slide it in to the bottom. Again, we press the two buttons so we can slide it in easier. And there you go. It's in the bottom. Now we just need to pop the blade back in like so. Make sure it clicks in place and it's all done.